Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Leaders, people will definitely, after so many of them, I accept the responsibility, maybe a failure on my part. But like I've told you, no one is perfect, but in case I fail, they should have told me, they should have said before, at least you have done this is wrong. Regarding the consultations which I've said, you know, the consultations, there's no major decision which we have taken so far, except the office bearers of the party for the state executive members. So the state executive members are like the block presidents, the district presidents, the vice presidents, and the chairman of different committees. All the districts, their own district have chosen the president, not me. All the blocks, the block have chosen the president, not me. All the vice presidents, it is the committee. We had a committee on 15th of last month when everybody attended, Kongamprina also attended, everybody attended. It's them who suggested that who should be the office bearers. So to say that I've taken a decision alone, I think it is wrong. There's no decision. I think they will witness. There's no decision which I've taken alone so far. Rather, I used to put my friends in the front and me in the back, whatever they say. That I cannot answer to you because 17 had left. The best reasons why they left is theirs. But as far as I'm concerned as a president, whenever we have a meeting, they never complained, neither to me or to any of us, that there's something wrong with the party or something wrong with us, because we just joined, and whatever decisions we take, be it office bearers, be it anything, we collectively taken the decisions. So I don't think that I'm competent to answer, because they're the people who left. Like Mukul left, he gave his own statement. Madam Amprin left, he could give her own statement. I think that will answer you.